Hello, everybody, and welcome to creatingwebsite.org, where our mission is to teach you how to create a website. And today we want to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can order a domain name and web hosting all at the same time. Not only that, we want to show you how to get a free domain name and 15% off your entire order. So let's get into it. First thing you want to do is go to creatingwebsitetoday.com. So let's type that in. Once you type that in, you're going to get a page that looks just like this. And first of all, we're going to search for our domain name. I want websiteforme.com or .org. Whatever you want for your domain name, you type in this box here. And then you're going to go ahead and hit search. Your domain name is what people type in the address bar to find your website, like google.com, yahoo.com, facebook.com. So I want mine to be websiteforme.com. Okay? Whatever yours is, it'll tell you if it's available or not. Websiteforme.com is not available, but websiteforme.org is. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. I'm going to hit continue to cart. I don't want the extras, so I'll go ahead and hit continue to cart. Okay, now we have our domain name. It's going to be $10.17, but we're going to get that for free. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Let's go ahead and find some web hosting. We're going to look for hosting plans. Under web hosting, you click hosting plans. Now, the options we have is economy, deluxe, or ultimate. We're going to go ahead and go with the economy. You could choose whichever one you like. Just make sure you choose 12 months in order to get the free domain name. So we're going to click 12 months, add to cart, and make sure you click Linux with control panel. Okay, so now we have our free domain name. Notice the $9.99 has been knocked off. Actually, we're going to say $15.99. And you have the price of $48.88 for your 12 months of web hosting at $4.08 a month. So what we're going to do is $49.06 will be our total without the coupon. I just disactivated the coupon now. It was activated, but I disactivated it so you could see the price without the coupon. So you would pay $49.06. But now we're going to add our coupon. So you click where it says have promo code. Click that. Then you're going to type in tutorial 15. Okay, when you type in tutorial 15, you hit apply, and it's going to take 15% off your order, plus you get your domain name for free. So your total order is $41.73. You go ahead and hit proceed to checkout. If you're a new customer, you hit continue. If you're a returning customer, you want to put in your information. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my details, password, and hit login. Now, once I'm there, it's going to show me my preferred method of payment that I set up. Once I set up my account, you can choose whichever payment you like. Then you're going to click I agree to the following, and you hit place your order. Once you place your order, it's going to say thank you. And then you're going to click where it says web hosting. Now I need to log in again. And in this step, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress into your control panel. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Click where it says setup. And we want our new, I have so many domains, you should probably only have one, but the one we set up right now is websiteforme.org. So I want to select that for an account. Control panel details. So now you're going to decide on a username. I'm going to put mine. Okay. And I'm going to put my control panel password. Whatever yours may be. Let's see, it needs to be 8 to 14 characters long. Include a lowercase letter, include an uppercase letter, include a number, consist of only letters, numbers, or these special characters. Not contain username. Okay. So let me see if I can make one really quick. Okay, let me write it down. And I would encourage you to write yours down also. Okay. Now you want to hit finish. It's setting up your control panel, and this is where all the excitement takes place in your control panel, because that's where you learn how to design your website, you install WordPress, so it gets real exciting. Okay, it's configuring now, so it's going to take a little time creating our account. So if you want to grab a cup of coffee or some water like I'm doing now. Okay, good news is your account is ready. So now we can go ahead and get started. Excuse me. All right, now I'm going to show you how to install WordPress to your site. Do you need help getting started? We're going to click no, I'm fine, thank you. First thing you want to do is you want to scroll down and find the WordPress icon. Let me see, where are we at? There it is. See that right there? WordPress. We want to install that. And then you want to click where it says install this application. You want to click there. Domain name is websiteforme.org. We don't want anything in the directory because we want people to be able to just type in our domain name and go straight to our website. Version 4.3, that's where we'll leave that. Language, English. I accept the license, leave that. Automatic update, update to minor versions and security releases. You can leave that checked. WordPress plugin automatic update. Do not automatically update WordPress plugins. That's up to you. WordPress theme automatic update. That's up to you. Automatic update backup. That is up to you. Okay. Okay. Now this is going to be your administrator name and administrator password. Okay. You want to show your password so that way you'll know what to do. So let's go ahead and write that down. So our username is going to be what's written right there. I would encourage you to copy and paste it or put it in a web browser. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and do that now. So we're going to create a new blank document. And we're going to grab our information. So let's go ahead and copy our administrator username. I'm going to paste. Okay. And then we're going to go and copy our password. Okay. And we're going to put that here. All right. Now, website title. Let's call this website for me. Your tagline, teaching others how to make a website. Okay. Two-factor authentication's up to you. Limit login attempts, that's up to you. Enable multi-site, you can leave that on no. Advanced setting management, automatically manage advanced settings for me. It's up to you. Go ahead and hit install. Now what we're doing is we're installing the WordPress platform, and that is where you go and design your website, add things to your website, do all kind of cool stuff to your website. It's almost done. Okay, now here's all your information. This is where your website is located. This is your admin panel or your dashboard, and this is support. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at how our website looks now. Hello world. There it is. Website for me, teaching others how to make a website. Pretty cool, huh? So now I'm going to show you how to get into the dashboard of your WordPress. Now, you're going to click there. Once again, I'm going to click here, websiteforme.org, WP-admin. And that's going to take you to where you can log in to your control panel, and there you are, or your dashboard. Clef makes logging into your site safer and easier. It's free, and getting set up takes 30 seconds. I haven't ever used that, so I'm not going to touch that right now. So now we're officially in our dashboard, and this is where all the fun takes place. So let's go ahead and get into installing a WordPress theme.